it is raining, everyone. So right now around 3 o'clock here, and it had very heavy rain here. So most monkey, I just saw them a little bit, and then when the rain come, all of them go back to the jungle. Again, everyone, I want to update, I want to show you a little bit about Elpida. Since the early morning until now, I haven't seen her yet. So most of them today, they stay in the jungle. I don't see them. That is not good news for you guys and for Elpida, because she will be hungry. In my earlier video, I filmed about this family too, but I see only some other monkey like Opal, Susie, and other young baby monkey, but I don't see Alberto. I don't see King Putti and King Marconi. I don't know where to go. And also right now it is raining too, so that's why they don't come out from the jungle to find meal, to find food. So I'm sorry everyone for this thing that happened to Mechanical family, because it is a rainy season here. It is often rain, but right now getting big and big rain here. Okay, but it's fine for me because I have an umbrella, so it will be fine for me. See that, everyone? So this way, the way to the Bayan temple and to the jungle. And this way to the west gate. When it rains, it's also good too, because Elpida can drink some water here. So she can drink water. She can drink the water rain. So hope she's fine. But I will wait for them until evenings, until very late evenings, and we'll check them when they come out from the jungle. When finished rained, I will manage watermelon with meal again for our poor Elpida and Mechanical family. But for right now, I don't see them. Sorry. I see some other monkey around here in the earlier, maybe like 10 more minutes ago that I saw them. I saw only Susie, Opal, and other monkeys. And then I tried to give some watermelon to them, and I hope Elpida and Alberto come, but finally I still haven't seen them for today. Raining time, rain everywhere. Elpida, Alapato. No one here. They look very hungry, some of the monkey. I don't know why they stay in the jungle so long like this time, because now 3 other days, so they should come out normally around like 12 to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. They come, but today no come. Yeah. I will check everywhere, every place here, because sometimes they don't come this way, but they come that way. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, hope everyone understand about this situation. We try our best already to find her, but unluckily because she doesn't come out from the jungle, so I don't know how to do that. When she come out from the jungle, I can find solution, but when they stay in deep jungle, I cannot go. Okay everyone, thank you so much. This is very little information about Elpida, and I'm sorry with my annoying also my English. Thank you, take care.